And the MK party continues to conversate about the current affairs, the state of the nation as it relates to the real South Africa that we live in, not the one that President Ramaphosa supposedly lives in his own head. Joining me, Indoda, Even, Honorable Thulani Vushongwe. Thank you so much for joining me today, good sir.
Thank you, Manu. As I njabulu bona. Sikhumbulile groundini. Asenamsinde groundini njobo ngekho. Ngiyabonga bana namhlanje.
No, uyazi isikhathi ama-elections sesiyakhona egroundini akunangenye indlela. Kodwa ke namhlanje asikhulumi ngeground, sikhuluma ngabantu base-South Africa, sikhuluma nge-state of the nation, the real state of the nation. Simzwile ke uRama promising some more, another 8 years of promises and lies. What would you say is the real state of affairs like South Africa?
I-country ethi phelile. Country ethi iwile, country ethi moshiwe. I-country ethi ifakwa ama-drugs, country ethi ifakwe inyawupe. But all of lokho kumoshwa khona lokho, somebody's benefiting.
Sure.
It's the same as putting ikhali zokudubula abantu in the country. When white people die, somebody's benefiting from that. So uRamaphosa nabangani bakhe benefited kakhulu from the crime in South Africa, from ukumosha ama-resources, its infrastructure. For example, let me tell you something. You see, when it comes to train stations,
when they are united against the lion, they will never win. 10 ships united against the lion, they will never win.
You'll find in the total 9 provinces, all train stations are moshegin, except for Cape Town. Amoshiwe, infrastructure ichonchiwe, still statues awuthengiswa onyawo. But they will tell you who did this and how did it happen. They will tell you abonyawo. It can't be abonyawo. They communicate because those people don't have phones, they don't have internet, they're strating. How can they communicate within all 9 provinces? Yes, but how do they communicate with the guys? March 2026. So mosha onka ama train station. Because the train station onka mosha at once. So somebody's benefiting from this so that they can create umsebenzi bawudle futhi bawuluthe. So the state of our country, asina country. Namanje yakuzokhuluma nge-state of address, sona address besinganayo lento leyo. Besine event ye-ANC yeimpahla ukukhombisana ngeimpahla ukuthi kule mali engiyitshontshile ngithenge iLouis Vuitton, ngithenge igusi. Besinaleyo nto leyo. Besinganaso state of the nation address. Besinabantu nje abazoswenkela kuphela. So I don't want to comment ngento ebengekho.
Sure.
Yeah.
Fana sekasi, I mean, uyazi impilo yasekasi, uyazi ukuthi abantu mabahlele ekasi, intwana, as you said, you know, they in drugs, they're looking for hope. Umkhonto wesizwe coming through as a machinery of hope, as a renewal of what South Africa can move into.
Yes.
What kind of message do you have for Amajita? You know, Amajita that look at you and see themselves, because I think more than anything, Intesi Misayo, or that we fail to use as an opportunity is realize that the spaces we occupy, we're representing one of ourselves who is sitting there looking onto us. Forget about honorable Shong. Kumbula le mfana wasekasi, kumbula impinchi yakhe next door. When they look at you, what do you have to say to them?
2 out of 10 or let me say 2 out of 10 of my friends now, including maybe everybody as Nailokshin, you'll find that 2 of them are the most successful or they try in life. The rest of the 8, aboputa bahleli lokshini, bapema insangu, bapema ugwayi, bapema drugs, give up on life.
Sure.
Then you take that to abantu abalandela thina because thina sesibadala. Sesizela abantwana bethu ibona abantwana njengamanje, ibona youth. There's no hope. When you have a country that has a president that doesn't care about the country nabantu abakhona, you will not benefit anything from that. Now it comes in 2010, if the president cares about the country, he will develop programs and it will allow the economy to flow around the country so that the next generation equals any generation.
Yes.
Now, to our generation, in our generation, the time the president Zuma, what happened is that there were opportunities and the beginning of life. You were so good, okay, from Mandela it was a transition yokusuka from apartheid era to coming this side. From Thabo Mbeki, we expected ukuthi mele kushintshe impilo ize ngaphezudlana for umuntu omnyama. But he, Thabo Mbeki, only focused
On
with
education.
international relations kakhulu. But President Zuma started focusing on into like domestic education, focusing on umuntu omnyama, economy ukuthi flow fairly to wonke umuntu. Unfortunately, the ANC was already infiltrated at that time. So in that president, Babu Zuma, bekhona opportunities like Umsobomvu, Love Life, even Ilot was also funding a lot of things. In that time, we didn't have documents to go get those fundings. You would go and look for that such a funding, but you look at our document. We couldn't get those things. Therefore, the presidency could have kept that program. He extended to the next president, Ezayo. Now, Tina, as opportunities because of documentation and all that. Now we have documents. We can't access those because it's batal. But the youth corner manage. In our document, in our everything. Lama opportunities lawaya. Ourselves.
Value.
Now it doesn't make sense ukuthi how can a president engafundanga kube nezinto ezikhona. I'll make a simple example. Thina hlale lokushina ngithi ekasi kunabobhuti laba babeka ama specs la yabona.
Yeah.
Abakhiphe eShana abobhuti mathenda. Bebakhona isikhathi akababuzungu. Because tenders were there. Were available. Yangathanda ufuna ukuthini? Mabafikile abobhuti. Nabafikile abobhuti uyabona bafikile endaweni kajeka. Yangathanda ufuna ukuthini? But how come ngesikhathi president ofundile ekuthiwa uyibillionaire nama connection awekho ngisho namathenda nawo but abantu bawaphethe ama document to get tenders. There's something wrong lapho. So our state iyabulawa le genge encane leyo ngibuza ngayo ukuthi ebokele kithi. One thing I would say they should look from kithi ukungabi novalo. Ukulwela icountry yethu. Ukumake sure ukuthi mobilize umakhelwane osenext ukuthi avotele umkhonto because umkhonto cares about people. ANC doesn't. ANC was captured from within. Who sell very few people that still cares about Abantu ANC. But those people won't emerge because remember ANC is about getting the bag, securing the bag, imali and all that. So the hope yala bantwana okhuluma ngabo ngibuza ngabo. Angakayiboni kwamanje. We need ukuthi thina somkhonto wesizwe siyibuyise leyo hope. How do we do that? We need to ukuthi thina senze lento yenziwa 1976, lento yenziwa ngo-80s ama-comrade womkhonto welokhu womkhonto wesizwe, military veteran then. Ewayithatha igazi lawo alwela country. So if thina we don't do that now, silwele ngegazi lethu ukuthi akushintshe immediately. I don't think ukuyaphambili South Africa izoba khona. We are so far nabo Cuba nathi.
I think you've mentioned something quite pressing, something I think during my tenure as a leader of the youth in the organization that I felt quite strongly about, you know, the issue of saying at which point do we remove democratic inequality, democratic lies within the same system. I feel like, and now you've brought in a whole element, something I was not going to talk about, but I feel is quite important to address. Looking at the state and having listened to interviews by the likes of Ubabs Kakan, you know, saying things like, well, actually, the votes weren't quite cut it. I mean, we've seen our votes were rigged. They took our votes. We saw this democratic way of saying this is what we want. These people have got a whole system that they even know how they're going to take it, how we're not going to be able to fight them because they also own the judiciary.
The constitution is written by them. The policies are written by them.
Thank you.
The
right?
travel is of these
So
things.
I'm asking now, do you think as a nation we are one, ready, two, hungry enough? Because I believe what will drive us to that immediate act of change, which drove us, 76 was because the people had nothing to lose.
Let me answer this. In 1976, if you look at those people, going back, do you think if we battle 350, we were zoned? Exactly. Now
They've been pacified. South Africans have been pacified. Yeah.
Now, ithina sibanjwe ngesisu. Sibanjwe ngendlala. Now they're putting a 350 on your table. Ukuthi thola something.
Yeah.
If ususa the current government, u350 they tell you ukuthi angeke usawuthola. I-grant yabantwana le eze ngoZuma bathi angeke uyithola. Free education le eze ngoZuma efuna uZuma bathi angeke uyithola. Now the difference between thina nalabo bakudala, labo bakudala bebanganandaba ney'thembiso ebayithola from ebelungeni, but thina sibanjwa ngento ey'ncane ezi-useless ezingasebenzi. But the question is, are we ready? No, we are not.
Sure.
And how are we going to be ready? That's the question we should ask. I think the song Yamakomrande is Magliwa. That's the song we should be singing, manje. Magliwa. But
And you know, I'm loving how this conversation is going, and the reason I'm saying I'm loving is because this is a side conversation I've had with other young people, young professional, young black, what would be termed clever blacks.
Yes.
And I'm saying this because for the first time I feel heard myself in this conversation, because one of the biggest issues we have right now is this unchecked class of clever blacks that have been labeled. And I'm saying labeled because it's not necessarily true about them. Moguti, this is a group of people who don't care about abantu abaselokshin, abantu babubo, and so forth.
Yes.
Firstly, one, akekho umuntu oyifuna indlala. Sure. One.
Definitely.
Everyone is scared of indlala. Those young black, clever blacks that are labeled as they don't care or whatever,
Yes.
have somehow experienced indlala.
Yes.
Uyabona?
Yes.
And they've worked so hard to get themselves to a certain point.
Out of indlala.
And then Tina Situkubo, no, drop everything and come fight with us. Very important. Some of us, myself and you, have been able to drop everything.
And go fight.
And go fight, right?
Absolutely.
But how do we then, as an organization, appeal to those people and say, we see you, we know you, and you've got a very strategic role to play. Remember, the answers of this country sit with the clever blacks. They got
Exactly.
the opportunity. They got the expertise. They've got
got the
but
education.
Isystem who has already kicked them out by labeling them as a group of people. And guess what? The capitalistic system is saying, oh, you come, we like you.
We like
Come
you.
keep
Come
us
here.
the way
Come
we
here.
are.
Come here.
Protect
Exactly.
us. How do we leverage of the fact that we've now got a crop of professionals, of young, smart, ready, capable group of people that we are not including in our country, in our
Biggest
politics?
mistake we did, and only once wafunda wathola umsebenzi ufuna ukuphumela
Yeah,
kushini.
Well, welcome. Today it's
From
me
Lokshini, uhlala kuphi?
interviewing the
Uhlala
one and
Saba.
only Honorable.
Then you lose touch with
I haven't even said his name. I'm sure you already know who it
Lokshini,
is.
awusathengi Lokshini,
Honorable Manyi.
utholakala eMasaba full time.
Yeah.
Wangena kupolitiki waba yi-politician waye eParliament, uyasuka eLokishini uhlala etown, you claim to ufuna ukubulawa, ufuna
Yeah.
there's those
You remove
excuses
yourself from
Yes.
the people. Yeah.
Now, this is where the problem is. When you go uyofunda, asiqale ngakhuluma nge-education quickly. Education was not,
Sisazongena lapho, but yeah.
I just want to say this. Education was not education before. Remember some people who knew some things, like for example, bekakwazi ukwakha ngodaka kudala.
Sure.
And then they took that as a unit standard and formed it into an education that will be given to abantu
Transferable
bonke.
skill,
You understand?
yes.
Then
Yeah.
it becomes education, but it was from the know-how, the experience of a certain person
Yeah.
to a unit standard. Then is your pumping. Now that's the problem. Education is now used as a tool to fight black mind and black conscience. Because once you think ufundile, mawulwela abantu abamnyama uzibona ngathi useless. Mawulwela ukuthi umuntu omnyama akakhabula akathole ubona ngathi useless. But if you go there in the public and speak the white monopoly capital language, you are favored, you are given opportunities, you are even given work that pays a lot. Then once wasuka
You
kuleyo
don't have to
nkulumo
tell me,
leyo,
I know.
once wasuka kuleyo nkulumo leyo, you won't get umsebenzi. So the clever blacks at some stage they were given taste of life, and then once they start facing in life, ukuthi abantu bethu bayafa, bayasha. You've got the likes of Montani, you've got the likes of Siyabonga Kama, you've got the likes of Machela Koko, you've got Brian Molefe. Those people deliver the ESCOM without the load shedding. How come those people are taken out of the system? They are being charged every day with benze lok na lok, but you never find a cent. You've got Abu Babu Zuma, who was charging Amak Gupta. When you ask a person, how much did Zuma take from the Guptas? There's no figure.
Zero.
There's no figure. There's no figure. But you know exactly how much Ramaphosa has under Masofa work. But you hate to Zuma for Guptas ngento ongayazi. So people are being given a Bluetooth. And our media has the power to control our brains exactly like 350. Exactly like imali grant. Ngeke umsusu ugogo imali grant uthi gogo asilwelizwe. yekela i-grant isikhathi ukuthi silambe solele country kuyoba nzima. Do you understand?
Yeah.
But what we need to do thina as umkhonto wesizwe and people that understand ukuthi sesilinyazwe engqondweni asisalinyazwanga ebhamini sodubulana, we say makuliwe. But how are we going to fight? We're not going to spill blood, because if it's critical, go for abantu bethu kakhulu.
Yeah.
But we need to fight there in the
We've
vote
got more
system.
to lose.
You understand? Let me say, the things that we need to remove immediately is the constitution. We need to change it completely. It's not ours. It's law and Dutch law.
Yenza nokuthi ama-clever blacks wethu angakwazi ukuma nathi.
The same clever blacks, my lawyer, they will fight for a person or raped and say I rape her. But the law would say because I'm raping endlini, so then it's not considered as rape. The same law is changing into ibona ukuthi umuntu odubula umuntu oso umbulala umfazi bese I call it self-defense. The same law is utilized as a certain loophole is used to change ingqondo zabantu. So I would state ukuthi i-country yethu yonke ilimaziwe ngokwengqondo. How we get ourselves out of that? We vote this system out. Then we change the law. We need that two-thirds majority. We definitely need that two-thirds majority, because you want to tell something. In Zimbabwe, makhamba white monopoly capital. It dropped. It lost the economy. You understand what I'm saying? But in South Africa, abafuna ukuhamba nabelungu. Abafuna. Yes, namandla singabalimaza singabaxosha abantu. Abafuna ukuhamba. Why bangafuna ukuhamba? Yini lengaka yabela. So you must understand ukuthi khona intela. uTrump usifuna la. uTrump usivalela amapilisi, akasapha abantu amapilisi ama-HIV and lokho nje, uthi sizofa. Akahambe nayo, sizophila. That's the mentality we need to have. Ukuthi i-country yethu sizotshala imfuno lapha yasidle isinkwa silambe size sisuthe.
Yeah, good country
i-country sayidedela. But sayithola i-country yethu. Wonke umuntu ingoma kaZuma ithi mhla sibuyayo. Sayithola. Let's
talk.
That's the mentality we need to have. Ukuthi country yethu sizotshala imfuno lapha yasidle isinkwa silambe size sisuthe.
Yeah, good country
i-country sayidedela. But sayithola i-country yethu. Wonke umuntu ingoma kaZuma ithi mhla sibuyayo. Sayithola.
Let's talk education. Let's talk basic education, something very close to my heart, something that I believe is the heartbeat of a nation. Something I believe maybe I experienced personally to what it should be today, maybe even better than how I experienced it. But Ngifila Uguti has now been taken backwards. I mean, I'll talk about the Gauteng situation of register, that I believe the online registration is a pure apartheid move. No, besides ukuthi ayisebenzi yona ngokwayo, but it's a way of actually segregating, keeping the best schools for those. And I'm asking you this because you've served in the Portfolio Committee of Education. You would know exactly what I'm talking about, right? Keeping the black kids outside of Lake, all of that, they know ukuthi in this area. Phela belungu nabangokwapo shembasa afford, by the way. Capitalism yabalimaza. So njengoba ibalimaza bangasa afford, there's now inkulumo yokuthi, okay, let's keep this school, this certain school. Angifuna ubiza amagama enkolo, you know, demarcation. Yes. Bakshaya when Mose Alexandra uzofunda Alexandra. Mose Soweto, Mose Twata uyofunda le. Yes. Manje, this system,
you can't choose your
own education anymore. Okay. Something that we had fought for and won. Mina ngazi ngami mina ngikhumula umama wami wayikhethela ukuthi owami umntana ngimfuna laphaya. Uyabona? Now it's reversed.
That's the mistake we should fix. Because one thing, when a parent decides to choose a scholar from Umntana, it tells you ukuthi the level of education elokishini is not proper.
Yeah.
It tells you the level and the quality of that education is deliberately delivered as not proper quality education. That is what we must fight. Not exactly the demarcation, not the system of registration, but the system of a level of the quality of education delivered to Amalokishin 8. Because if we can deliver the same quality as Abo Kuro, the same quality as Abo Pinnacle school, then definitely we won't need we won't worry about the demarcation.
Okay.
Because if we can get high standard of teachers to Amalokishin, pay them enough. look, labo teachers abaselokishini bayasebenza abanye babo.
Yeah.
What demoralizes them is that we don't pay them enough. We don't give them enough resources. The quality of ama-textbooks ethu umbhedo. The level of education deliver ile yakudala yaka Van Riebeeck sisaqhuba yona. But you go to your Curio and the Pinnacles and the other schools, they are delivering something we call a better education. I would say let's not fight demarcation first and the system of registration, but let's fight the type of education we want in our schools. If we can
But
get to
there's
Curio
issues, there's issues of infrastructure, and I'm saying this as part of the back to school program that I was recently involved in my township. Class, I'm gonna make an example of where I come from so that you understand what I'm talking about. Alexandra Gna space. Forget about the man. Forget about the man. There is a ratio of, I think, more than 10 primary schools in Alex, but only 5 high schools. When these kids come out, and I'm using Alexandra, please allow me, because also that is my people.
Yes.
When these kids come out of primary school, where do they go to high school? I'm talking now, a high school in Alexandra has got a class of 127 in one classroom. One teacher, a class.
Now that's where the quality of education is compromised.
It's compromised.
Deliberately.
Then what I'm saying now is then there's a system, and that's why I'm trying to link back the system to say, okay, there's also already this issue of quality,
land and space.
right, and space and access. But you're saying all the kids in this area will be within the 5 kilometers, so those kids are still limited to the 5 schools
Okay, let me ask
in the
you this.
area, and I want you to be able to
Let me
respond
ask
to
you
that.
this. Teachers that are teaching Bule Kolo Lezabo Curio, what varsities are they coming from? The same varsity as our teachers.
Yes. It's different. I can give you a different story.
And then the other varsity, the
so
private varsities.
they choose which school you went to determine which school you teach at.
Exactly.
Not which school you went for varsity.
Now you're coming to my point. That's why my point is, let's not fight le mikhuba yabo. Let's soyiqeda later. Leyo masasiphethe power so ishintsha nje ukuthi umntana ofunda la ufuna ukufunda khona nala khona ukufika khona. But the level of education asishintshe, let's deliver, because if we allow, let's say we change the system of registration right now. Are we helping labantwana laba abaselele ikolo esingazichoose?
Let's not choose. Yeah, no, we're not.
We're not.
Yeah.
So let's change la lento leyo. We deliver same level of education everywhere. It is government must mandate ukuthi adlale education. Go to Swaziland.
I almost feel like and this is maybe like very far-fetched, but not really far-fetched. I almost feel like the solutions of this country is to do away with anything private.
If you
multiply ROI whilst getting the most out of your budget, reach all.
And the reason I'm saying that, even though I know what it sounds like, the private sector is important, we need it. But the reason why there is no will, political will, to change the status quo of this country is because people have got the option of pay. And the people who make the decisions for the poor are the elite.
Who owns the private sector? Who benefits from
the private sector?
That's what we
say. Who runs the country? If the country is run by elites,
what would happen?
They take their kids to the elite schools.
What would happen?
They'll
if
never care about the township
deliver
education.
the same quality as private sector. State would benefit. People will see the need to pay for those resources.
For the fees,
for the services.
Yeah.
People will see the need to pay for electricity, water, and lights because we are delivering top quality. Does the state have the power to deliver it? Definitely.
Do they have the will?
No.
Do they have the capacity?
They do.
So what's the issue?
It's the will. South Africa phethe yonke into stay. If I phethanga yonke into, ngabe belungu bahambile.
Ngoba siyavota siyabuza ukuthi
if besingaphethanga lutho la South Africa, ngabe bahambile abelungu abashiye njengeZimbabwe. So we've got everything. Go to N3. Hlala nje N3 uhlale nesitulo sakho lapha ePhosphorus kanje.
Khavele ngcono mina ngibuye Alexandra N3 idlula lapha.
Kudlula ama truck aphethe copper, aphethe platinum, aphethe ama minerals. I think I've gone nama truck engihlala ungadlula ngihlala ngabona aphethe sebayisa bayiplanes yaba plat kanje. Iron core.
Yeah.
Kudlula about 300 trucks ku N3. Lama truck the way imported ngakhona. Udriver wana ngazaphathi omchamo. Kuma lama truck oyi10 ameceleni oyi10. Bayochama bonke awahashiyana. So how come are we saying thina sinalutho? Nini basitshela ukuthi ilahle liyasigulisa lesiphathisa ifuba. Remember that education into to stop smoke, omission and what.
Climate
Liphi ilahle
change.
lethu? Go to Richards Bay. Kune 20 kilometer line yama truck amele ukudeliver ilahle lethu liphumele ngaphandle. Why? Sibe yiphuku because kuthathwa le education lesikala ngayo bese basikhohlisa ngayo. Yabo the day we have ama comrades ayoye ku quote abo Marxist abo the day soba nama comrades ayo quote ukuthi la ekhaya eDavidson ethathwa East eAlexander you can't go etoilet ukhululekile.
Yeah.
Uyintombazana nje you can't go etoilet ukhululekile unamama. Alexander ngo6 uyahamba but uhamba kabuhlungu uthukile. Why? And when you say Alexander na space akusiqiniso lela manga. When you go from Marlborough uya there's a piece of land enkulu le the Tamora Maposa athembisa abantu base Alexander 1 million houses. Wabathembisa iphi land. So it's the will, the problem is the political will. Abantu bethu abayiyeke lento. Abana abantu bethu ba problem ngalendlela ukuthi njengami ngifavorite chiefs. Kunzima ukuyeka iChiefs noma seyidliwa ngoba ayiyadliwa manje Chiefs yami. But I don't benefit nothing from me Kaizer Chiefs. They benefit from me ngithenga iskipa ngithenga you understand.
I hear you.
But when it comes to a political party, that is where we should not have the same mentality as the soccer club, because a political party comes with the policies and the will to deliver for the people or not. When ANC was so strong, President Zuma will tell you ANC had good policies. It's true. It had good policies.
Still has. They're not implemented.
They are not being implemented. Now, what is needed is people who are willing to implement those and who are brave enough to say, we know when we change a system, somewhere is Holland. Angeke kube mnandi. Angeke singakhothesana sithi hey kuzovela ukuthi shuqu. Bantu ba khona la kungeke kube mnandi khona. When Oliver Tambo were fighting for a country bekungekho mnandi.
Yeah.
But sicishe sabuthola ubumnandi. Sicishe sabuthola sibizwile anduzuma. Uma amagundana ntshontsha ushizi isukuyiningi ishiza endlini. Now the system made sure ukuthi they plant lo Zuma as umuntu omubi and plant ama-comrades atshontshayo phakathi in the system so atshontshe kakhulu bese mase watshontshe kakhulu kube ngathi akwenzekanga lutho. It's the president that is wrong. No, sifuna upresident nozozela abantu abamnyama ozobathanda abanikeza izinto.
Sure. Wrapping it up, we're talking crime. You mentioned something important, that it's not safe for a young woman. I mean, sometimes I didn't know just to be walking around in this country. Part of President Ramaphosa's State of the Nation address was to talk about crime and how he's going to deploy soldiers. Yes. What's your take on how this country is dealing with the issue of crime, but most importantly, on the role? And I've already asked other comrades, but it's always interesting to hear the different views of different comrades. We can all agree that the solution is definitely not Amasosh. But what's your take on how we're tackling the issue of crime, and how can we look at making sure this is not just us looking at, in the words of Umam Kani, Dr. Kani Lynchfield, Shabalala, that we are not just doing symptomatic, but a diagnostic analysis of what is actually going wrong in this country when we speak about the issue of crime.
But I'm just want to tell you straight.
Hi, my name is Dolor. I would like to invite you to the Monster Scale Summit, the free virtual.
We've done our research.
Yeah.
So our pinda futhi ayenze research. Sa diagnose, sa analyze. Sikwenzile konke.
Sina that.
Sina everything.
Okay.
Now, in the absence of implementation, we are now testing. Ngemizimba yethu, ngempilo zethu, ngokuhlungu bethu. Lento lezi ezidiagnoswe ngapha. Sesiyazifila ke manje physically. Hamba like Cape Town. You can only walk freely Cape Town, Camps Bay, down New Galley. You can't go Khayelitsha. You can't go with Davidson Kamnandi. You can't go Soweto. You can't go.
Where black people are. Say it.
Exactly. You can't go. Even our colored people, like Cape Town, Bishop Levis, Elsis River, you can't go. You can't walk Kamnandi. We can't be looking for what is diagnosed. We are now looking for implementation. And we must be fair and honest to ourselves. Babu Ramaphosa is not a decisive leader. He has failed to say Amaphoisa have failed. Let me remind you, I once worked under SAPS as well. That it might sound politically incorrect, maybe, or scoring our points for Munyu. But when General Kele took over, he came with into implement as poison. He came with what is called incentives. One for the police. He came with the police day where would you have it? Before Nyago Zapella, there will be a police day where we'll go stay and as a mapoisa. We be mnandi kudliwe motivation to amapoisa. You understand?
Yeah.
Now, that system should have been kept. Because that system, as much as General Utlele was the leader on top, there were likes of General Nkwanas who were running the show, who motivated Amapoisa and the staff within the SAPS to work harder because you are valued and you see that there is hope in what you are doing.
Yabo.
Babuspear, to me, that character, whoever exactly a person ngakho motivated, lifuna libone kungona ukutshontsha because alineliseki. Angeke unelisezwe imali ayikunelisi. If imali beyinelisa nolamaphosa bezohlala phansi ekhaya. So you can't be giving umuntu ingqondo yokuthi into enelisa umuntu imali eningi. But when the time we worked under Babu Zuma, under SAPS, sasine fulfillment emoyeni singamaphoyisa singabantu abasebenza emaphoyiseni. Sasine fulfillment uthi le 3 rand engimholayo uyanginelisa kodwa I'm delivering. Ngaphandle mangivela ngiyiphoyisa bengisatshwa. Mangivela ngibuya esiphoyiseni bengisatshwa. Ngisho iphoyisa ophuzana lobo ulisaba. Wazi ukuthi hey le detective le iza namafile etshwaleni. Mara mase jike kusasa yakutahula yakubopha. It's what we are given mentally that is wrong. Ukuthi without money, we are nothing. We need money, yes. But how do we need money if we don't have values? We need to have into ukuthi emoyeni wami nginele ukuthi okay, esiphoyisa njengoba ngiyiphoyisa ngiyathenjwa. And angikwazi ukuthi ngaphoxa isibongo sami. For example, when you sit here and look at Ubabu Mkhulu, what do you think of that person?
I don't want to say anything.
What do you think of Ubabu Sbi? Leave alone the allegation. Do you trust it?
Just looking at them.
Exactly what I'm telling you. We can't prejudge them, but you can tell and see ukuthi into ebulewe la ilento ethiwa ubuntu nesimilo. Silahlekelwe isimilo nobuntu. Under President Zuma, under Nelson Mandela, we had ubuntu nesimilo.
Do you think that South Africa, and I mean by extension Africa, I'm closing now,
Yes.
has got a leadership problem? And when I say leadership problem, I don't want you to just say yes. I want you to identify why. You already mentioned this point earlier when you said he's an indecisive.
He's not decisive.
But in general, sometimes it's not utagagwas. It could be that there's a leader of the leader. What's your thoughts on leadership of this country? And I'm not talking just at the highest level. I mean, we're going ahead to local government, and that's why I'm wrapping it up, in saying leadership overall. Because if we're saying that there needs to be a change, we need to also be able to say, well, this is what's wrong.
Change.
Yeah.
Leave Africa to Africans.
Sure.
Leave Africa to be led by people who understand what are the values of Africa. Africa in general, yonke, is based off a religion. Siyakholwa Africa kakhulu.
Yes.
Ungakholelwa kuKristu, ungakholelwa ebunyangeni, ungakholelwa kodwa Africa nje siyakholwa and siyakholelwa. Sinalento ekuthiwa inhlonipho.
Yes.
Which comes from ubuntu. Now, if you infuse democracy in a colonial way, and their values of Roman Dutch laws and their culture to us, then already we will not develop leaders are proper. So the leadership crisis that we have in Africa in total is that it is not an intact leadership. Most of those leaders, they will tell you, bekafunda Europe from amncane primary school
They're not in touch.
to kudala bakhe. Loyo muntu makabuya la wazini ngAfrica. Yilo umuntu okwazi ukutshela yilo okwazi ukubiza umama wakhe ngo-F. Uyangarisela ufuna ukuthini? Yile ngane ekwazi ukutshela umzali wayo ukuthi ungazongitshela kodwa la wrong. Thina ukuthi umzali umbone wrong. umyeka akushaya qede ukuthi hey kodwa mama waziwa wrong uyothi basehlile umtshela mama yazi lana ungishayile into wrong yima umzali ezokuzwa. I'm not saying and then they called it abuse. There are things ezisetshenziswe kancane iline encane a thin line eshintsha ukuthi sibone iabuse nokukhuzwa ngendlela eqinile as abuse la ekhaya. Then democracy was introduced in that space. Sinabantwana njengamanje ohluleka ukukhuluma nawe ilanguage yakwakho and uwe it's your fault. Ilanguage yakini akayazi.
Mntana mental health.
Exactly.
Umchika umkhozela mental health.
Umkhozela brain tumor. It's a problem. So we have a leadership crisis. We are not developing leaders who understand Africa and what we need. We cannot solve into as African as European. Angeke ufike kwaSikhosana uyophahla ngento zakwashongo. Angeke kwenzeka alikuzwe idlozi. Yana alikuzwe idlozi. I also went to Bible school. People don't know this. Ngafunda iBible kakhulu. There is no way iBible lisixoxela ngokuthi amadlozi akithi amademon
at all.
uNkulunkulu in only one verse akhuluma ngomuntu ofile ukuthi uyapi kwenzakalana nomuntu ofile mayesefile. Uthi uNkulunkulu Abraham mawenza kahle. Mawufa wena I will give you the most precious gift. Ngiyokuhlalisa nabantu namadlozi akini, your ancestors, which is the most precious gift uNkulunkulu ayipha umuntu ofayo ozofa. Amthembisa ukuthi mawenze kahle ngizokupha ifa lokuhlala namadlozi akini. So therefore it can't be ukuthi this thing tells us ukuthi khona into wrong ngathi ngoba African bethu. And the next thing about Africa, it allows you to be you. If ufuna ukuba umKristu, iba umKristu, asikuphazamisi. Yekela ke lo ufuna ukuba isatanism. Yekela lo ufuna ukuba umzayoni. No, I'm trying to give you
satanism, please comrade.
It gives you into yokuthi lento zoba yiyo inama results. Therefore, lawo results you will bear the umvuzo walawo results lawo. So we need Africa to be Africa. We need Africa to develop African leaders, especially South Africa. Right now, which school teaches about Mandela? Which school teaches about Oliver Tambo? Which school teaches about Zuma? Your history like high. Which school teaches about that? None.
Macbeth.
Exactly. What is that? Albatross. Exactly. What does it have to do with us? Nothing. That's why we lose values of what Africa medicine. If in Konipinga South Africa, we will not find this much liquor on our street easily. Abantu bazophuza bayihloniphe azothi ubuya la. Kwaphuzwa kudala umqombothi lo wawuphuza awuthola uphuzwa la ekhaya. But people had values bekazi umuntu uthi hayibo ungazofike la sozophaka abantu. Abantu abasenamsebenzi manje
ingane engaphakamisa ibhodlela phambi kwabazali. Abazali sebaphuza nabantwana babo bathi no I just drink with my child.
No, exactly. Manje ukushaya ibhloko. Daku uzokhola is an achievement.
Sure.
Ukuthenga nje into ezokushaya ibhloko it's an achievement. But is that African? No. Amakhosi must come take charge of into zethu. Because right now if business amakhosi we wouldn't suffer let us suffer ukuthi khona imadlanga commission edla imali engaka. Madlanga is costing close to ama-million amaningi. When we have ad hoc for free eshaya nje la khona directly. Now we would definitely go straight and arrest those people bafake ejele iqoqa inkaphili. Njengamanje bayahola umchunu. Lapha kule minister khora 4 yama minister khola umchunu khola lo khatsha lo wezencane yabona bese ncane khola ukhatshana kukhola udeputy 2 yama deputy ministers in one portfolio. Kanti if umthetho bozodlala indima ube decisive bese save le mali ingene ekufundisela abantwana.
Sure.
Ingene ekulungiseni izikolo lezi eziwayo akunezikolo ezingana toilets sithe le mali ngalungisa at once just once off nje kusho but iholela umuntu ohlele ekhaya. So those are things that if value esilimazele zona ubuntu bulimele bubulala lezi zinto lezi.
Sure. Honorable Shongwe, I think our conversation went about talking about the state of the nation addressed to the real state of the country affairs. And I'm really appreciative for that because I think we need more and
state
more.
Of nation address. Besukuphi mama?
No, sengisho khona.
Mara besukuphi sibonile wena.
State of
No, bekhona state of ANC. Beqhosholela ngempahla lapha mfethu. Bekuyile nto le. Ayikho into ekhona.
No, akukho sikuzwile vele ngathi kusinike hope or sibone ukuthi singayaphi as a country.
Noma ngakuthola kuzokwenzeka yini?
Cha.
Bye bye sithe.
Ama promises.
Bye bye nesho yakho usale kamnandi.